When most people picture robotics and automation in manufacturing, they picture very high volumes. The same part, the same product, the same motion day after day after day. But that's not us. We're a high-mix, custom turnkey contract manufacturer, and we use robotics and automation in a completely different way. So let me show you 5 places where robotics fits in at Komaspec and why it works for us. First, laser cutting. Our 8 kilowatt and 12 kilowatt LVD laser cutters are each paired with auto-loading towers that store and feed sheet metal automatically. This reduces setup time, increases throughput, and makes for a safer working environment. Second, sheet metal bending. Alongside our CNC sheet metal bending machines run by our skilled operators, we also operate an LVD robotic bending cell. And for the right parts, once it's programmed, it just runs lights out until it's out of material for a highly efficient process. Third, deburring. After laser cutting, parts need to be deburred, either to finish them off or to prepare them for bending. We use robotic arms to load our flat laser cut parts into our auto-deburrers, which is automating a low-skill task so that our team can focus on more important things. Fourth, robotic welding. An operator sets the fixture, and the robot makes every single weld identical from one part to the next. Consistency that may be hard to achieve through manual welding is mastered through robotic automation. Fifth, injection molding. A robotic arm pulls parts off the press, places them on the conveyor belt, which feeds them down to the packing stations. A very efficient process and a safe one for our operators. So why these 5 and why part fabrication specifically? At Komaspec, we're a custom turnkey contract manufacturer focused on medium to high volumes for industrial and B2B products. Different customers, different products, different industries. From one day to the next, from one week to the next, our assembly lines are constantly changing. We know that with the product variety we deal with and the constantly shifting volumes, that high mix, complex assembly is better suited to our experienced, highly skilled team. So instead, we use robotics and automation where repetition is consistent, and that lies with part fabrication. It frees up our team from highly repetitive tasks so they can focus on what they're best at. The high skill, quality control, and attention to detail needed to consistently pull off complex product manufacturing and assembly. If you have a new product in development and you have any questions about manufacturing, talk to our team at Komaspec. We'd be happy to help.